Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix the lag problem on the Samsung Galaxy A07. To do that, just open Settings, then tap on Display. From here, just tap on Motion Smoothness, and instead of Standard, just select Adaptive. Then tap on Apply. After that, just go back, and in the main settings page, just tap on Device Care. Then tap on Storage, and from here, just make sure that the storage of your smartphone is not full. If the storage of your smartphone is full, then scroll down and tap on Unused Apps. And if there is any app which you no longer use, just delete it from here. Then go back and tap on Duplicated Files. Now, if there are any duplicated files on your Samsung phone, just tap on All and tap on Delete. Select Delete. After that, just go back and tap on Recycle Bin. Then tap on My Files, and from here, just tap on Select. Tap on All, and tap on Delete All. After that, just go back. Now in the main settings page, just tap on Accessibility. Then tap on Vision Enhancements, and enable Reduce Animations. Now, if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. To fix this issue, just go back to the main settings page and tap on Software Update. Then tap on Download and Install. And from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your smartphone. Then go to your home screen and reboot your phone. For that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the Control Center. And in the Control Center, just tap on the power icon over here and select Restart. And this is how you can fix the lag problem on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.